My name is Alyssa Torres, and for my endangered species presentation, I chose to research the bumblebee bat. Here's its scientific name. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, but there it is in case you would like it. It gets its name because it's the size of a large bumblebee. The bumblebee bat is the smallest mammal in the world and also the smallest bat that has been observed. It weighs less than 2 grams, which is about the weight of 2 Skittles. For 12 years, the bumblebee bat was listed as an endangered species by the IUCN Red List, which is the list of the world's threatened species. But about 10 years ago, it was downlisted to vulnerable because of the new population discoveries in Myanmar. It has two other common names, the hognose bat or the Kitti's hognose bat, and in this image you can see where it gets that name. It gets the name Kitti's hognose bat from the scientist who discovered it. Bumblebee bat has a pig-shaped nose and two very small eyes that are sometimes hidden behind its fur, which is usually a lighter color than the wings. The wings also have tips at the end of them, so that bumblebee bat is able to hover like a hummingbird or helicopter while flying in the air. Bumblebee bats also have very large ears, and they use echolocation to hunt insects as their food. They also tend to eat bark lice, spiders, and beetles. The bumblebee bat doesn't need many insects to be full. It also does this at dawn and dusk, leaving for only about 20 to 30 minutes at a time to hunt in the forest. The main threat to this species is disturbance by humans, either by religious visits or tourism. Another potential threat is from fertilizer collection and extraction of limestone from their roosts. Bumblebee bats are always associated with limestone outcrops near rivers and always roost in caves. Its extinction would not only be the loss of an incredibly unique species, but an entire branch of the evolutionary tree would vanish from our planet. The caves that these creatures are located in are in Thailand and Myanmar. A fascinating fact about the bumblebee bat is that its two geographically separated populations might currently be undergoing speciation, but there will be nothing for scientists to observe if this tiny mammal is extinct in only a few years. In doing my research, I was not able to find a current population estimate of bumblebee bats. Back in 2013, there was an estimate of around 6,600. Though there is not an estimate in number, the entire bumblebee bat population is limited to 8 caves in Myanmar and 35 caves in Thailand. One thing that isn't very well known about these bats is the reproductive system. The females are believed to give birth to a single young late in the dry season of late April to May each year, and during those feeding periods, the young either stay in the roost or remain attached to the mother. Here are my sources that I used for my research for this presentation. Now that my presentation is coming to a close, I think it's a realization that it probably was not the best idea to do this on a bat with the current circumstance that we are living in right now, but here we are. Hope y'all had a good semester and have a happy summer.